Look at that. Amazing day. Just come out for a beautiful ride. Check out Wales. Obviously, this is the petrol station. And guess what? I got a fucking puncture. So this bad boy, focus on it, was stuck right in the tyre. And some good guys that were here at this calf, this biker calf in Crossgates, lucky's have a puncture repair kit. And we've managed to plug it up, used one of these air canisters to pop it up with air, and then I've just used a petrol station pump to get it up to 32 psi. Fingers crossed it will hold some pressure and it'll be enough to get me home. So that has fucked up my planned ride to the Elan Valley and go and see the reservoirs. So it just looks like I've got to get home. So, update on the tyre. It seems okay. So, just thought I'd have a quick stop over and just check. Seems alright. Look at this. Fucking amazing views, mate. Beautiful. What a day. Not bad here in the UK, is it? So I made it home, back home in the garage. Let's check this bubble. Yep, there is air still coming out of it, so I'm glad I made it home just about. So is that new tyres needed? Fuck's sake.
New tyres.
Yeah. Where are my tyres?
In the garage.
Cool. Charles, say bye. Bye bye.